Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I fixed a voltage problem on my 86 Kawasaki KLT 110. I was having problems with it blowing bulbs all the time, and I was actually going to try to uh, rewire it for a LED headlight, but I ended up uh, just sticking with this old one here. I didn't know why it kept blowing bulbs, and the bulbs for this aren't real easy to come by, so that's why I was gonna swap it out to LED. But when I hooked up the LED, it kept doing the same thing. It would work, and then when I would rev it up, it would stop working. So that led me to check how much voltage was coming out of this, and it ended up being around the top RPM. It was about 40 volts. So I then found out that that was my problem. So I've got a whole bunch of stuff up here, but just ignore like this. I ended up frying that. I ended up going with this. It's just a single wire voltage regulator. You got to have it grounded, and then there's just one wire going in, one wire going out. I think it's for like a bridging Stratton or something. I'll put a link as to what exactly it is in the description. But yeah, I've got this yellow wire going into it. Got it hooked up here, and then the red wire coming out of it goes back to this yellow wire that goes into this harness here. That goes up here to the switch, and then there's another wire that goes back out, plugs into this red one here that goes back to the tail lights, and then there's one that goes back up to here. So if there's anyone else that's having the same issue with it putting out too many volts, hopefully that should fix it, because when I checked it afterwards, around idle, it's putting around 3 to 4 volts out, and top RPM is about 7 to 8. So that should fix the issue.